In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to remove or disable logged in password in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, at the button search bar here, type for settings. Once the best match would appear, all you need to do is you need to navigate on the option called open to continue. Okay, so let's just have to wait until a option where we can see it would appear here. And once it's here, click on it. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option called accounts, which has this icon like this. So from here, the moment you have bring up the account settings, all you need to do is you need to wait until you can see all of the settings under this account section. Now, once it is being ready for us, please navigate by scrolling down and go with Account Settings and select for Sign In Options, which contains the Windows Hello, Security Key, Password, and Dynamic Lock. So tap on it, and eventually you would be able to see a window like this. So to ensure that you have seen your password, ensure that this one is off. Okay? Because if you will turn it on, and if you would navigate again to the accounts, and if you'd go back to the same path, and that is to click on the sign in option, you won't be able to see the password option where you can turn off or where you can remove or disable it. So it is very crucial to turn it off or disable it. Once done, navigate to accounts. Okay, tap on it for the second time. From here, please scroll down and go with sign in options. And in that way, you would be able to see or reveal the password option. So from here, click on this down arrow key and you would be able to see a removed option. Okay, so in my case, I don't have any because I have used the Windows Hello as my password. If I mean, as my security. So if you will if for example this is the password like here, you will be able to see a window like this where you can change pin and where you can remove that. So all you need to do is you need to click on removed. And again, in my case, I don't have the removed option of password because I am using the Windows Hello or the security pin in my Windows 11 PC or laptop. That's why I'm not getting such. But if you in your case you want to remove that or disable that in the password, so click on removed. Okay, let's say for example this one. So here, confirm your action. And once you have confirmed it, if it will ask you to type the reset password that you have just typed it, okay, and confirm your action. So that's it. You can now close the window, and the moment you will reopen or restart your computer again, you won't be able to log in anymore with password since the password would be disabled or removed here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.